Eid Mubarak. It is the second day of Eid in my country Bangladesh, and currently I am in a paddy field with my niece Ikramoni. Ikramoni. We have come here to pass my time, and you know that it is Eid day, and I don't have opportunity to travel by bike because I don't have bike. That's why I have come here to enjoy the yes. Don't touch it. So I have come here with my niece because she requested to me that uncle, please let's go hang out outside of house. So I have thought that it is an amazing place, a very beautiful nature, and if you look around me you can see amazing place and very windy weather. The sun already is setting maybe,